Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh. Children, now let us discuss about classification and nomenclature of enzymes. Thousands of enzymes have been discovered, isolated, and studied. Most of these enzymes have been classified into different groups based on the type of reactions they catalyze. Enzymes are divided into 6 classes, each with 4 to 13 subclasses and named accordingly by their 4-digit number. Oxidoreductases, hydrogenases, enzymes which catalyze oxidoreduction between two substrates S and S are the examples. For example, S reduced plus S oxidized gives rise to S oxidized plus S reduced. Transferases, enzymes catalyzing a transfer of groups G between a pair of substrates S and S. Hydrolysis, enzymes catalyzing hydrolysis of ester, ether, peptide, glycoside, CC, and PN bonds, etc. Lysis, enzymes that catalyze removal of groups from substrates by mechanism other than hydrolysis, leaving double bonds. Isomerize, including all enzymes catalyzing interconversion of optical geometric positional isomers. Lysases, enzymes catalyzing the linking together of two compounds. Examples, enzymes which catalyze joining of CO, CS, CN, PO, etc. bonds. Children, now let us discuss about cofactors. Enzymes are composed of one or several polypeptide chains. However, there are a number of cases in which non-protein constituents called cofactors are bound to the enzyme to make the enzyme catalytically active. In this instance, the protein portion of the enzyme is called apoenzyme. Three kinds of cofactors may be identified: prosthetic group, coenzymes, and metal ions. Prosthetic groups are organic compounds and are distinguished from other cofactors in that they are tightly bound to the apoenzyme. For example, in peroxidase and catalase, which catalyze the breakdowns of hydrogen peroxide to water and oxygen. Heme is the prosthetic group and it is a part of the active site of the enzyme. Coenzymes are also organic compounds, but their association, the apoenzyme, is only transient, usually occurring during the course of catalysis. Furthermore, coenzymes serve as cofactors in a number of different enzyme catalyzed reactions. The essential chemical compounds of many coenzymes are vitamins. For example, coenzyme nicotinamide, adenine, etc. NADP contain the vitamin nicotine. A number of enzymes require metal ions for their activity, which forms coordination bonds with side chains at the active site and at the same time forms one or more coordination bonds with the substrate. Zinc is a cofactor for the proteolytic enzyme carboxypeptide, etc. Catalytic activity is lost when cofactor is removed from the enzyme, which is testifies that they play a crucial role in the catalytic activity of the enzyme. Thank you.